in the fire rectangle, keeping it nice and safe, away from the children, and the sausages are wrapped in tin foil. I'm just about to add on to a different cooking method. We've got inside here, we've got a tortilla wrap with some cheese and some pizza topper, wrapped in the cling film so it's nice and clean, and we're just going to warm it through and melt it on the fire. We made sure the fire's died right down. We've just got the hot embers, and we're going to keep an eye on it.
Please, could you turn my wrap over?
Yeah,
so it's
I shall
cooked on
turn
both
the other
sides.
wrap over now.
Thank you.
Okay, we've got two separate storage containers, pieces of tin foil, because we've got Elizabeth's that's gluten-free and mine's not gluten-free, and we don't want any cross-contamination. Okay, thank you.